Hey guys, what's up? Landon here. Today I'm going to be making a simple ERC-20 token on the Ethereum 1.0 chain. It's actually very simple. There will be a link for this website right here in the description box below. Right here. In the description box below. So then once you get here, the ERC-20 token generator costs nothing. It's just to get it up and running. So, first things first, you want to put in your token details. So, I'll just put mine as TLC. Token decimals 18 is the normal. Your max supply, I don't know, just random number, and then initial supply. Okay, so I want to enable transfer so that everyone can transfer my tokens, but I want to not disable minting. I want to keep minting enabled so that I can make more tokens. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the network. As you can see here, I'm doing this for realsies. If we go to the main Ethereum network, as you can see here, I have $51 worth of Ethereum, and what I'm going to do with that is make this coin. So let's choose the main Ethereum network. If you're using any other network like the Ropsten, Rinkeby, Coven, GoYearly, you just click that, and the gas fee and to put it up and everything would be pretty much free. Okay, so then after you have all this set in, you can just press create token. Okay, so if you get this warning, which will probably happen if you switch your metamask often, and if you just switched it on this page, you're gonna have to reload the page, and then after you reload the page, you have to put all your information in again. Just a quick heads up that I should have told you before, but I didn't for some reason. Okay. Enable minting, main ether. Okay, this time we can just press create token, and then here the little notification pops up to make it. You see, it's just the gas fee that is $20. It's just the gas fee. The token creation is actually free, but you know, because of gas, you have to pay $20. So confirm, and then it will continue the transaction. The transaction ID is here. You can look at that by right-clicking, open link, a new tab, and now it is retrieving the token and is asking you to please wait. So if we go over here, as you can see, this is our hash. This is the status. It's still pending. Time last seen, estimated confirmation duration. This is a beta. How long it is estimated to take for it to be completed. Value, none. We're not going any, but this is the gas fee. Yeah, and I'll show you another token that we created. So I created another token. It's called Provise. And as you can see here, this is our token. I used this is the simplest way to make an ERC token with the token generator. It doesn't cost any money, like things like MyWish or Token Mint. Right here, MyWish costs $99 to make. Look, create your token fast and easy. The price is $99. So this option is free, and it takes a lot less longer than what those other were, and it's a lot simpler too, user friendly. Also a lot less cheaper, not to mention. Not that I already haven't mentioned that before. And also, like I said, it's a lot easier than coding. Like coding the ERC-20 smart contract, you either one would have to do it by yourself, or two, copy and paste the code that would probably be out of date, and what wouldn't work. There would be a bunch of errors in it that you couldn't fix without looking it up, and then you'll get more errors, and it's just, this is the simplest way. It's so simple, I can do it. It's so simple, even my little sister over here, she can probably do it if she has the funds. It's just that simple. I mean, like, who knew? Making a token. Who knew? A 12-year-old makes an ERC-20 token. Okay, guys. I'll see you back when the token is done doing its thingamabobber. See you later. Okay, guys, so we're back, and as you can see, well, you can't really see, but it says metamask just popped up, and it says confirm transaction. So you see now it says retrieving token, and then it gives you the address for your token. So then we're just gonna click on that, and as you can see, we have the TLC token here. TLC, it has everything. I asked for the 100,000 total supply, 18 decimals, one holder, one address, one transfer. Checks out. And that is how you can create an ERC-20 token, your very own token on the Ethereum 1.0 blockchain network, in under 10 minutes. Times may vary depending on Wi-Fi and computer capabilities. Okay, guys, see ya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hope to see you again. Why am I saying this? Bye.